Alright, today I'm going to show you how to download the Skyrim script extender. This is going to work for all versions of Skyrim on the PC, so Legendary Edition, Special Edition, VR, it's going to be the same process. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to 7-zip.org. This is where you download 7-zip. It's a file extractor like WinRAR kinda. So you just go ahead and click one of these download links based on your computer. And then the next step is going to skse.silverlock.org. This is where the file for the script extender is. I'm downloading this for the Legendary Edition, but it's the same process across all the games. So you go ahead and click on the 7-zip archive, same as these two right here. Download this, save. I'm going to open this up and drag it to my desktop. So I can go ahead and close out of these. I don't need these anymore. Then right click on this file, 7-zip, extract files, then click OK. I'm going to drag it out here. You can go ahead and delete this old file, that's not needed anymore. So I'll go ahead and open this, keep it on the left side. So the next thing you're going to need is your Skyrim root folder. The easy way to find this is to go to your Steam, and then right click in games on Skyrim, click properties, local files, browse local files. Now that this is open, go ahead and close out of all the Steam tabs. Those out of the way. Put these next to each other. So right now I have SKSE downloaded, but this is the process if you don't have it. Just open up on the SKSE side, drag over all these files. You don't need what's new, readme, or the SRC. I know the SRC is for mod developers, but I just go ahead and drag it over anyway, because putting them all over is not going to cause any harm. So I can go ahead and click replace these files, then close out of this. Now that this is here, it should be downloaded. So anyone that's just going to run SKSE and no other mods, just go ahead and click on the SKSE loader, right click, click send to, desktop, create shortcut. This is going to be the new way for you to run your game. So every time you launch, you're just going to launch through the SKSE loader here. But for me, I like to use the Vortex mod manager. So I can go ahead and close out of that. I'll open up Vortex. Then right here, I'm managing Skyrim. So in tools, I don't know for sure if this is going to be displayed here, but if it's not, you can click add tool, new, name it something like SKSE, and then for the target, you can go ahead and click files, and then whatever directory your Steam library is in, you click Steam, Steam apps, common, Skyrim. Now here's your game directory. So find the SKSE loader, click on it, click open, and then save. Now SKSE is set up in Vortex, but I want to run through SKSE every time. So I'm going to click on these three dots right here and click make primary. That just makes it so when I launch up in this top corner, it'll run through SKSE. So I'll go ahead and test that now. Now that the game's loaded, you can just go ahead and click the tilde key in the top left corner of your keyboard and type in get SKSE version, then click enter, and it should show you something like this. The numbers might be different depending on what update you have, but this just shows you that SKSE is running through the game. So if you ever have any problems with it and SKSE stops running, usually what you can do is just go to the SKSE website again, download the latest version if they have it, and then repeat the same process and replace the files, and it should be working fine. But that should be it. You can go ahead and play your game with SKSE, and that's all.